Hi, my name is Michael Tolman. I prefer to go by my middle name, Tyler. I am currently living out on the West Coast in Washington, kind of near Seattle area. Um, I have worked at the Boys and Girls Club, which is where I kind of got my start with this field. From there, I moved to another Boys and Girls Club, and then after that, I moved over to a crisis residential center where we worked with teens aged 12 to 17 that were in need of emergency placement. That was a very intense population to be working with. But I think across, oh, and then now I'm over at Compass Health doing behavioral health stuff with kids anywhere from like 6 to 17. Um, so I really like the field that I'm in. I graduated with a degree in sociology, but I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with it until I started working at the Boys and Girls Club, and then I kind of found that I had a passion for helping others, which is when I moved over to something a little more intense. And where I'm at now, I'm pretty comfortable. I really like what I'm doing. Ultimately, I want to move towards obviously having my MSW. I would really like to be a therapist at some point if I can get the experience that I need. So I'm pretty excited to be starting this program. I'm definitely a little bit nervous because of the time commitment, but I think that as long as I'm planning everything out and really making sure I've got everything scheduled for myself and carve out just a little bit of time a week to relax, then I should be okay. Thanks.